Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today. Let me show you how to make caramel candy with just 3 ingredients. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So go ahead and place an empty heavy pan that can generate enough heat on the heat, and after that add in your sugar and stir continuously with your spatula while the sugar melts down. And to prevent your sugar from burning, reduce the heat while you melt down your sugar. After you are done melting the sugar, go ahead to pour in your milk and continue stirring on a low heat. So after 4 minutes, go ahead to scoop your melted candy in a cold water, and if you're able to form a mud with it, it means that your candy is done. Then go ahead to add in your butter and let it melt. After you are done melting it, take it off the heat. So next, go ahead to place a non-stick pepper in your plastic container. After that, pour in your melted candy and place it in your refrigerator and allow it to cool down for 1 hour. So 1 hour later, take out your candy from your fridge, then remove the baking pepper, and after that go ahead and cut your candy and enjoy. And please guys, don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section. As you can see, my candy, it came out very nice and it also tastes delicious. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and also like and share this video. You can also support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker. See you guys on my next video.